What's up, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel. Back with a little quick video today. We got some boxes behind them. We're going to pop them open together. It's a weekday. We usually don't do weekday collections, but, this week, we had to do a weekday collection because of all the demand from all our other locations. A lot of them are 2 weeks and 3 weeks. Some of them are weekly, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment down below. But yeah, let's like and subscribe, guys. But let's get into the boxes. Alright, just a run through of all the boxes we're going to pop open quick. Here they are. Let's do it, guys. And then stay tuned till the end for the totals. Guys, this first box here is empty, man, but there's not a lot of money in it, so we're going to open it and see what it's looking like. Oh man, a lot of change, maybe some theft, definitely theft. Box is empty. Stay tuned till the end for the total. Second one is a barbershop place. Did pretty good. I see some money. Now let's pop it open. Let's check it out. And this is what I'm talking about right here. This is looking good. Stay tuned till the end, guys, for the total. Right here, we got a bar/restaurant location. Let's pop it open and see what's inside. Pop it open. Ooh, yeah. I see a 5, too. Stay tuned for the total. Another pizza shop here. Decent amount sold. Let's pop it open. Let's see. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Stay tuned for the total. Let's check this bad boy out. Ooh, not too shabby, not too good. Hoping this one did better than the last one. I hear change. I see some bills. Oh yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Let's get to the last and final one. Last one here, pizza place. Let's pop it open. Let's see what's inside and get to the totals. Last one here. Good amount of change, good amount of bills. We're going to count it up, let you guys know what each location did, all these here, and give you a grand total. Alright guys, here's all the money. Here it all is for each box. And now Haley's going to break it down and give you the totals.
So between the 7 boxes, we got $78.74. And there was $3.20 in theft between all the boxes.
There you got it, guys. That's going to end the video.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.